Real quick, I just wanted to go over um, getting into the single neighborhood. The first thing is that this is working, so this is good. When I get into places though, the H1 here should actually be the name of the place, which is in this case Oxford House, and the H2 down here should be the name of the neighborhood. So those two just need to be switched when they're at the single place level. Right now we're inside a place called Oxford House, so this needs to be up here, and then the neighborhood, Cleveland Park, in this case, would be down here. So I've kind of targeted on the single place theme where this is at. It's basically right here. I just didn't want to mess with your code, but I'm assuming you just switch this with what you have down here. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that when I click on gallery here, it just takes me to the gallery of the neighborhood. So that's not correct. It has to go to a gallery of places. So I was hoping that you would have created a custom field, but it's okay. I've created one here. If you go within any place, you see that we're in places. I just created a new place here called the Green Building that's in Logan Circle. And then I added this, just a WYSIWYG here for gallery. So I'll just add images here. It needs to pull these images, or this field type, which I've named, if you go into custom fields and places, you'll see it's gallery. It's called place_gallery. So that's the field tag, the field name for it. And that needs to pull when I click here and show that within the place. So that's the only thing that's missing. The rest I think is looks good. And if that completes, kind of like, if once you finish that and that completes the hours, I would like to continue to use your service to work on perhaps doing the jQuery part of the gallery, and but I'll explain that later. So just right now, those two things would need to be completed. Let me see here. For example, I put in Logan Circle, I put places, I put this called the Green Building as an example. So yeah, again, those two things make the gallery and the places link to its own gallery, which now is the custom field within places down here, which each place now will have a gallery. So just make it link to that content, and then swap when you're in a place. Make sure that the H1 is the name of the place and the H2 is the name of the neighborhood. Obviously, if you go back to places, everything will be normal because you're just showing the name of the neighborhood. But when you get into a place, it's important that it actually show the name of the place up here and then the name of the neighborhood down here. Thank you.